Forgotten username recovery failed on CountAbout Fix. If you've been trying to recover your CountAbout username and keep hitting a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because CountAbout now relies on your registered email rather than a traditional username. Trying to guess it usually leads nowhere. Here's the fix. Step 1. Open the CountAbout login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. CountAbout will send you a recovery link directly to that email, which is the key to regaining access. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, gather your full name, recent transaction details or subscription information. CountAbout support can use this to verify your identity and help you regain access. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder. These emails often end up there. Tip 4. If all else fails, contact CountAbout support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts have failed and provide any requested verification details. Their team will guide you securely through the recovery process. The surprising truth is that losing your username doesn't mean permanent lockout. CountAbout switched to email-based login to simplify access and improve account security. By focusing on your registered email, verifying your identity when needed, and following these steps, you'll be back managing your finances in CountAbout quickly and safely.